polyphenol antioxidants in rhubarb are thought to inhibit a host of diseases, from diabetes to cancer to heart disease. Dr. Miller here with a smart tip to make a seasonal food more nutritious. I'm talking about rhubarb. These colorful red stalks are rich in 40 different kinds of disease-fighting antioxidants. And their antioxidant capacity actually increases if you bake or stew this vegetable. In a recent study, baking fresh rhubarb for 20 minutes or slowly stewing the stuff for 30 minutes over low heat did more to increase its antioxidant capacity than blanching or quickly stewing did. That's good news for rhubarb lovers because baking and stewing are common methods for prepping this member of the buckwheat family. Even better, the polyphenol antioxidants in rhubarb are thought to inhibit a host of diseases, from diabetes to cancer to heart disease. It's not entirely clear why these cooking methods make rhubarb even more nutritious. But the researchers note that although nutrients are both released and broken down during cooking, the nutrient breakdown likely happens less with slow cooking methods, such as baking. And rhubarb's not the only treat that benefits from special prep. Carrots and broccoli are most nutritious steamed or blanched. For more simple ways to nourish your health, watch and share all our smart tips right here.